This is Smriti and I have made this cake as we are celebrating the 50 years of Srila Prabhupada's arrival to the West, and as you can see there's quite a lot of detailed work on this cargo shaped cake, and hope you guys like it.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare,
Hare Rama,